This To-It skill is in Notebook and focuses on the Gallery tab. Notebook has thousands of interactive elements and graphic objects that you can use to teach your lessons. So let's see how we can use this. Here I have Notebook open and I have the Gallery tab already selected. Now the Gallery tab has three sections, three panes in it. The first pane is the search pane, the second is the category pane, and the third is the results pane. So I'm going to bring up my keyboard so I can type in the search pane. So I click on the keyboard on the pen tray and I click into the search pane and I'm going to type in my word of weather. I hit enter and I'm going to close my keyboard here. And down in the results pane, I can see that there are 72 items in the search results for weather. Now there are 4 categories. I'm going to select the first category and expand it. And I have 13 related folders. So I can scroll down and take a look at all the different folders that are available. I'm going to collapse that and expand pictures and backgrounds. Now in pictures and backgrounds, there are 39 of them. If I want to bring in a graphic, all I need to do is drag it over and it will appear. I can also bring in a graphic by double-clicking it. When I double-click it, it will show up on the top left of the screen of the workspace. I can also scroll down and find other types of objects that are in here. Now, one of the objects is a background, and a background is signified by the bottom right-hand corner is folded up, is curled up. And I can drag that onto my work area, and you'll notice that it puts that background directly behind my objects. And I want to show you that this is still on the same page. So I'm going to go to the Page tab up here just to show you that there is only one page here in this notebook file so far. I'm going to go back into the Gallery tab, and I'm going to scroll up in the Results pane and collapse Pictures and Backgrounds. I'm going to go into Interactive Multimedia and expand that, and there's one Flash element. I can tell it's a Flash interactive element because it has the Flash symbol, which is a circle with an F on it. So I can drag that in, and then it will put that particular element in there. A Flash element allows me to change some of the things that are in here. And what I can do is in this thermometer, I can change how high or how low it is, and it will show that result down here. I can change this to Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. And each Flash element has different things that you can change in it. So I will collapse that, and I will open up and expand Notebook Files and Pages. Now a page will put in a new page with a background in it. So what I'm going to do is drag over a cold front page, drag that in, and it has now replaced everything. I'm going to go up to the Pages tab and show you that there are now 2 pages. There's the one that we just created and the other one that we created at the beginning that has the 2 elements, 2 graphic elements, and the Flash in there. So a background puts in a picture in the background of your current page, and Pages puts in a new page with a background on it. And again, the difference between the two, as I go back into the gallery, is the page has a folded corner on the top right, and the background has a folded corner on the bottom right. So you can easily tell the difference between the two. Now another way that I can search is through the categories up here. So if I choose Essentials for Educators and I click the drop down right next to it, I can see a variety of sections that are in here, but they're difficult to read because I need more of a section in there. So I can click here and drop that down so I can see more of my results. So I want to go into Science and Technology, and I want to go into Earth Sciences, and I'll scroll down, and what I'm able to see in here is my weather folder, and I just click on this, and I now have the same results that I had before, whether I was looking for a specific keyword or whether I was looking in a particular folder. So that's how you can use the Gallery tab to search for the items that you need. Now it's your turn to get to it.